Hello friends, welcome to my channel SPD Tech. In this video I am going to show you how to upload a video in Instagram in IGTV mode. For this you have to select a nice video to upload. Choose any video that you want to upload. Here I am going to select the video of this one 43 seconds. And just click on next. Next again, and you can see that there is no option of small video or long video. So remember that to upload video in IGTV, your video must be more than 1 minute, then only you can select that mode. So I am selecting the video of 4 minutes. Now I have selected the video of 17 minutes. 17 minutes 5 seconds. Just click it. It's a very long video, and when we click on next, it shows that the video is so long. So remember that you can't post the video more than 10 minutes. Your video must be less than 10 minutes. So I have again selected the video less than 10 minutes, that is 4 minutes. And here we have got option of short video and long video. Select long video to upload on IGTV. And short video means you can only post a video of only 1 minute of your whole video. Select any thumbnail to your video and hit on next. Give a nice title and directly post it. Here the processing has started. The video is loading. And now it's finishing up. Just refresh the Instagram once. Here we go. Our video is uploaded, and we have option to watch it in IGTV. In IGTV you can watch the video more than 1 minute, but only in short video you can only watch the video less than 1 minute or the video of 1 minute. Then keep on watching, and here we are watching the video in IGTV.